loads to be done. But I see that there's, especially among the young generation who got education abroad, there's lots of willingness to invest. You need the money, you need investment to go there as well. And the thing where Kosovars need to deliver is in issues like rule of law. This has to be done in an easy way and without corruption, without the need that you need to pay somebody behind your back. Yes, I give you the money and then you do that. That has to stop as well. But that has to stop at all levels, high level, low level.